next to it.
What's going on? Today I'm going to take you guys through a quick session with the Fatgripz Extremes. I was super excited and super happy when they came in the mail, and now they're finally here. So did a lot of triples with pulls above the knee, and keep in mind it's like around 315, but there's a serious rolling thunder aspect. So I start out very light and I'll gradually improve throughout the weeks. Okay, so these are really good for grip. I'm going to be honest, they don't do much for my forearm growth, but for grip strength they're definitely up there. So did a couple triples of those. Now I'm doing the strict curl against the wall in the hammer style with the Fatgripz Extremes. I like these a lot. It's a warm up, it's around 25 pounds. Keep in mind it's my first time ever using them, so I'm just going light. And you know I like to superset all my forearm work. So I'll do some kind of hammer curl or reverse curl, and I'll always superset it with some kind of wrist curl to get more done in less time. It's good for work capacity, and it's just good if you really want to train in more of a rushed fashion. So I don't want to be in the gym all day, so that's why I like the superset. So this is 40, or I believe 45s. I'm doing the strict curl with it, and it's very humbling. You could do some serious numbers without them with the pencil thin handles, but once the Fatgripz Extreme is in the mix, it makes it a lot harder. But it really is good for forearm size. I really think you're leaving a lot of forearm potential on the table if you're not experimenting with fatter handles. And I don't have the biggest hands of all time. My hands are pretty much slightly above average, but I like to challenge myself. So Fatgripz Extremes are really cool. Okay, so now I'm doing some wrist curls. And these have good carryover to your barbell wrist curl, by the way. So the barbell wrist curl, if you're training at a commercial gym, is probably the king of wrist curling variations. So this is going to help bring that up, because each hand is working independently. So yeah, it's a great lift overall. My forearms are super pumped after this. You can see a little look on my face. And yeah, okay, I'm done with that. Now to finish off, did some super high reps with the Zotman curl. I got this lift from Josh Bryant. I actually knew about it before, but I saw he was doing it with Fatgripz, so now I'm trying it with the Fatgripz Extremes. And this honestly felt really good. If you want to get the biggest forearm pump of your life, give these a try with some Fatgripz or any fat handle implement. So the thing I like about Fatgripz a lot is that they're super cheap. I got these for around 40 bucks online. No, I'm not affiliated, but it's just a really great alternative for people who don't have access to like very fat dumbbells in the gym or any axles. So these are great for pump work. Just gonna let the clip run. This is why I like to speed up some of my videos, because there's not much to talk about when I'm just doing a curling variation, you know? But that's just that. So hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have Fatgripz, let me know what you think about them in the comment section below. I really think that they're essential if you want to reach your forearm genetic potential, or if you want to reach your grip genetic potential.